Beth. Welcome to Zienna Studio. We have a very quick and easy tutorial for you today. I'm going to teach you how to do the grapevine. This is a super famous step, one you can do to most popular songs or old songs, whatever is your choice. Let's get started. All right, let's get started. So our first step, we're going to step to our right on our right side. We're going to step behind, behind, side, together. Now the same thing, but the other way. Side, behind, side, together. Let's do it a few times. Side, behind, side, together. Side, behind, side, together. I'm going to turn around so you can get a better idea of what the step is. Remember, we're stepping to our right on our right. Side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Okay, so it is a very basic step. This is a step that does require you adding a little bit of flavor to it. But if you don't know what to add, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tip. So the first time we're going to do it, we're going to add a bit of a body sway. There's no rules about it. Just sway, roll if you can. Just feel it, whatever feels good to your body. So that's the first one. We're going to add body sway. The second one, we're going to move forward. The third one, we're going to move backwards. Let's give it a go. Ready? Sway first. Sway, 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 tap, sway, 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 tap. Now forward. So it's the exact same steps. I'm just going to move diagonally forward. Step, 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 tap, step, tap, step, tap. Now we're going to go backwards. Step, behind, step, tap. We're then going to go diagonal the other way. Step, behind, step, tap. Let's give that a few more goes. So sway first, then we go forward, and then we go backwards. With the sway, we're just going to move side to side. You can sway, you can roll, do whatever you feel. Ready? And side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Forward. Side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Backwards. Side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. As you'll notice, as I'm going forward and back, if I'm going forward, I'm going to go diagonal, and then I'm going to change and go diagonal this way. And then I'm going to go, if I'm going backwards, I'm going to go diagonal that way. Tap. And then to go, keep going backwards, we're going to go diagonal the other way. Diagonal, tap. Very good. Let's do it one time from the beginning. Sway, forward, and then back. Ready? And side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Forward. Side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Backwards. Side, behind, side, tap, side, behind, side, tap. Very good. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this mini tutorial. This is a super fun step. Make sure you put on some music, practice to whatever music you like, and make sure you comment below what step you would like to learn next. We'll see you next time.